I'm Robert with the Excalibur Solutions STEM Academy, and I'll be your guide for this project. In this project, you'll create a simple four-function calculator like those you might find at the dollar store. It will do basic arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It will be able to handle answers that have negative numbers, but it won't provide the user a way to enter a negative number. It will also be able to present really large numbers using scientific notation. The code for this project will be written in Python. If this is your first program in Python, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. If you've already worked with Python before, I hope I'll be able to share some new tips and insights. Out of the box, Python programs run in a terminal window where the output is all text and the user interacts with the program using the keyboard. For this project, though, you'll use the PySimpleGUI library to give your calculator a graphical user interface that makes it look like a real calculator. You'll also be using object-oriented programming. In object-oriented programming, the programmer models the application's domain using classes and objects. You'll create a calculator class to contain the internal state and the behavior for the calculator with which the user will interact. So are you ready to get started? Let's go.